We're looking at the rear interior of the Del Sol, removing these panels where the speaker is in that back flat panel to find the pass-through to the trunk through the firewall. So just look at this red wire. It's already fed through there with another wire, and you'll see as you go down in there, there is that hole. And that red wire is fed through that hole, and I'll show you the other side where it comes out. Here you can see this red wire coming out into the trunk area. So you really only have to pull down this one piece of side carpet, and you'll be able to get to that opening right there. So if you keep pushing whatever wire it is you want to pass through from that hole on the other side, you're going to eventually get to this opening right here in this bottom edge corner of the trunk, and then you can fish something through here into the trunk. You'll see in order to get to this, all there is this one piece of side carpeting that has to be pulled down, and then you should be able to get to everything you need. Here you see a good mounting location for a backup camera on the Del Sol, and you'll see that right here under the deck lid, in between the license plate lights, there's a hole right here. Yours is going to be covered probably with a plastic grommet. You just pull that out, and this is a great place to feed the wire through. So the wire actually comes through, it goes inside this channel, past the light, comes out right where this tubing comes out. You can see it right here. I kept it actually inside this trunk channel all the way inside the lid, and came out this hole here. I feed down, it goes back down under the behind that piece of carpeting, and then it goes through the firewall hole down there, which I showed earlier on how to pass through the firewall. The trigger wire, which is the red one over there, that one passes through. I pass it through completely inside this channel, out of the way, and it's going to come in and tie into this backup light, and it should splice into the green wire, which is a positive terminal of the reverse light, so that when this bulb gets power and you're in reverse, that'll automatically trigger whatever your backup camera system to turn on.